world demands a lot from those who make the world. Make it faster, but make it more precise. Make it cheaper, but make it more profitable. Make it smaller. Make it cleaner. Make it compliant. The pressure might just be too much for our tensile strength sometimes. We get it. So why not let your new contacts, your new connections, and future business partners help you make it? Join them all in the one place where manufacturing's most innovative technologies, brightest minds, will drive the future of sustainable manufacturing. So whatever you're looking for to help you make it, connect and make it together at Sustainable Manufacturing Expo and WestPack. Sustainable Manufacturing Expo. It's how you make it.